Raise your hand if you have had more than 3 bosses in your career. I've put bosses into categories. There's 3 of them. I like to call these bosses my A team, primarily because they all begin with the letter A. No, that is not one of them. The first boss, the amazing boss, the awesome boss. When I say most amazing boss you've ever had in your life, and a person comes to mind, what are some of the characteristics that come to mind when you think of that person? I'm sorry? Supportive, confident, patience, wanted to promote women, had your back. Okay, yeah, so ahead of their time. So when we think of the second category of bosses, let's just call these the average bosses. You know, these are the bosses that basically they don't make really a blip on your career radar. You do enough work so that you don't get fired because basically they're paying you enough money so you don't quit. There's an even balance there. And then of course the third A, the awful boss.